What if the night you almost ended your life was the night your real life actually began? It was 1:47 a.m. The streets of Chicago were freezing. 17-year-old Daniel Harper sat on a metal bench outside Union Station, staring at his reflection in a dark window. His bank balance, $8.42. His backpack, 2 shirts and a broken phone charger. His home, gone. His mom had passed away the previous winter after battling cancer. Medical bills swallowed everything. The house, his stepfather disappeared the week after the funeral. And tonight, Daniel got fired from his grocery store job for being too distracted. The truth? He hadn't slept properly in weeks. Useless, replaceable. That's when he noticed a skinny brown dog sitting a few feet away, ribs visible. "Go away," Daniel muttered. The dog didn't move. Daniel reached into his pocket and pulled out the last protein bar he had. He broke it in half. Half for him. Half for the dog. That night, 2 abandoned souls shared dinner on a freezing sidewalk. The next morning, Daniel tried finding work. Construction sites, nothing. The dog followed him everywhere. By the 3rd day, Daniel named him Ghost. Because no matter how many times life tried to erase him, he was still there. Days turned into weeks. Daniel washed dishes at a diner for cash, delivered food on a borrowed bike, slept in a storage unit behind a repair shop. People laughed when they saw him talking to his dog. "Man, you hit rock bottom." But rock bottom does something powerful. It removes the noise. One night, after getting yelled at by a customer and stiffed on a tip, Daniel sat on a bridge overlooking the highway. Cars rushing beneath him. His thoughts were louder than the traffic. "You're a burden. You're nothing. No one would care." He stepped closer to the edge. Not playful barking. Ghost grabbed the hem of his hoodie with his teeth and pulled backward. Daniel lost balance and fell to his knees. And something inside him cracked. Not weakness. The voice telling him he was worthless. Wasn't the world. It was him. That night he made a decision. If he was going to suffer anyway, he might as well suffer building something. He started spending nights outside a 24-hour public library. Free Wi-Fi. During the day he worked. No announcements, just silent work. He started a small online store selling customized pet tags, inspired by Ghost. The first week, 0 sales. Second week, a $3,000 revenue. He reinvested everything. Hired freelancers. Customers loved the story behind the brand, even though he never told the full truth. By 23, Daniel owned a fast-growing pet accessories company shipping across all 50 states. He bought a small house. But the first thing he did wasn't buying a car. It was building a dog shelter facility outside the city. Named Ghost Haven, people called him self-made. But here's the psychological twist no one knew. The grocery store manager who fired him, years later Daniel ran into him. Not out of cruelty, but because Daniel had once told him he dreamed of doing something bigger. The manager saw him shrinking, settling. He didn't want Daniel comfortable. Yes, was it unfair? Maybe, but Daniel realized something deeper. Sometimes life doesn't break you, it exposes you. And here's the biggest twist of all. Daniel was never poor. Poor is a mindset. The real wealth was built the night a stray dog refused to let him jump. Today, Daniel funds therapy programs for homeless teens, sponsors animal rescues, and every single tag sold includes one hidden engraving on the inside. Stay, because sometimes, if you're watching this and you feel like giving up, if you think no one would notice, you're wrong. Your ghost might be closer than you think, and the chapter you're in right now, it might be the plot twist that changes everything. If this story moved you even a little, subscribe for more stories that challenge your mindset. Like this video so it reaches someone who needs it tonight, and comment one word, stay, because the next success story might be yours.